little bit different, okay? We're going to try to do this, and I'm going to let you take a poll, okay? Have you done polls before? What do you usually think of when you say the word poll? What do you think, Brody? Do you think of like a flagpole?
Yeah, or a pole that has a light on top of it. Or...
Yes, that would be good, like a light pole or even a fishing pole. But this is a different kind of pole. This is where you're going to get to vote for something, okay? So we're going to look at number 7, and I'm going to read it to you, and you have an answer choice of A, B, or C, okay? So I want you to help me decide. Alan was always bragging and showing off. His brother David, on the other hand, was a quiet and humble boy. The word humble means stupid, not annoying, or not prideful. So can you type in your answer choice of A, B, or C? Okay, I've got almost everybody voting. Okay. So I didn't have everyone did not choose the same answer. So let's look at those, okay? The word humble means, I don't think anyone chose stupid. So we rule that one out. But I did have someone that picked humble means you're not annoying. So why do you think it would be not annoying?
Because like they don't really get on a lot of people's nerves and stuff like that.
I think that could be very true. But in this sentence, let's listen to this. It says he was always bragging. Now that could be annoying. And he was showing off. So if his brother was completely different, do you think that he would be annoying or not prideful?
Not prideful.
Okay. All right, let's go ahead and look at this next one at number 8. I'm going to drag it over here so you can see number 8. And I'm going to publish our results from our last poll. And we're going to start another one for number 8. Okay. And number 8 says, well, I can't see number 8, Miss Wyatt. It says, no one lived in the old house. Can you guys see the answer choices on number 8?
I only see number A.
Okay, let's scroll down to the next set, okay? Because my window is covering it up. Let's look at number 9. Please be careful with that vase. It is quite fragile. What do you think the word fragile would mean? Go ahead and make your choice on there. Type in A, B, or C. All right, let's see what our results are from everyone. Are you able to see them? They're almost coming. Did we all get it, you think? Yes, because if you have to be very careful, then you definitely want to make sure that it is not going to be broken. Okay, let's do a couple more of these together. And we're going to go back. Those are good answers for you guys. Okay, and number 10. Brody, do you mind reading that one out loud for us?
Mother divided the cake into 6 equal portions for the children.
Okay, so what do you think the word portions mean? Go ahead and take your vote on that, A, B, or C. Dad made, 8 equal portions in the enemy pie book that we read. Okay, I will publish our results. And you both had this, we all had the same answer on that one. But can you tell me what made you think that it was that answer? Adeline, what do you think?
Because portions in the book, Dad gave 3 portions to Jeremy, him, and his son.
But did he give them plates?
Like it was 3 parts of the pie.
Exactly. And he probably did give them plates, but you can't divide the cake into plates, can you? No. So when you go back and you look at that context, you'll be able to get some meaning from that. Okay, so let's look at number 11. We'll drag it over a little more so you can see it closer. All right. Brady, are we able to hear you, baby? Do you mind reading number 11?
Sun was low in the sky. Everyone was packing up and getting ready to go home because the park would close at dusk.
Okay, now you got to think. If you were just asked what does dusk mean, you might not really know. But read that sentence carefully and make your choice on A, B, or C. All right, we almost have all of our answers in. Okay, so this one we had different answers on. So let's go back and look. We had the answer of dawn, midnight, or sunset. What do you think could be in that sentence to give us a clue as to what dusk would be? When it says, the very first part says, the sun was low in the sky, what do you think that would be?
I think it would be a sunset because the sun does go low in the sky
I think that was a good answer. And if you weren't real sure, you could always go back in that story and try to figure out what that answer would be. All right, let's look at number 12. Nope, let's go on down to 13 because my box is covering that one up again. Okay, let's do 13. And Brody, do you mind reading 13 for us?
Wait, did you mean me?
Yes, Brody. I might not have said my vowel clear.
As Jake struggled to solve the problem on the test, it became apparent that he had not spent enough time studying.
Okay, so what does the word apparent mean? Now, I might not know it. To me, it sounds like it might be your mom or your dad if it's apparent, but that's not the way they're using it, is it? All right, so let's go ahead and let me go back to our polling options and let you put your answers in. Go right ahead. Brady, do you mind answering this one out for us and tell us what you think it should be?
I said number C, mysterious.
Okay, you think it was mysterious.
Yeah, mysterious.
Okay, did anyone else agree with Brody on that one? Brady, what do you think it would be?
I think it was mysterious.
You think mysterious? Adeline, what was your choice?
I thought it was B because he made it apparent that he had not spent enough time studying.
Yeah, do you think it was a mystery why he struggled, or do you think it was pretty clear?
Pretty clear.
I think it was clear too, because he knew he was struggling and he did not study. So that made it kind of clear, don't you think, Brody and Brady? Now, if he had studied and he did everything and it still happened, that could be a mystery. But it did say that he was struggling and he did not study. All right, let's look at number 14. Okay. Brady, do you mind reading number 14?
Everybody contributed something for the food drive. Anna and her family donated a large bag of canned goods.
Okay. And the word contributed. This time, we're going to try to do a whiteboard. Okay? I've turned on a whiteboard, and I want to see if you guys can circle or underline the right answer. I see Brody working on there. Okay, I see, Adeline, where your answer is. But now, will you go back in the sentence? Brody, I see all of you working. Good job. Good job, Brody. Now, Adeline, can you find what the clue was in the text? Can you circle that for me?
Everyone contributed something for the food drive.
Okay, Brady, do you see another clue that would make us know what contributed mean? I see you right close. I see Brody right beside it. I'm going to read the sentence one more time and you see if you hear one more word. Everyone contributed something for the food drive. Anna and her family donated a large bag of canned goods. Did y'all hear another word that would give you a clue? Adeline, what do you think it is, baby?
I thought it was gave because they gave something for the food drive and her family donated a large bag of canned goods.
Very good. And I liked that word donated. That was one that we didn't circle. Good job. All right, let's go down to number 14 and try our marking again, okay? This time, I'm not going to read it to you, okay? I want you to read it on your own. And I want, Adeline, will you do number 15? We'll let our ladies do number 15, and we'll let our boys do number 16. Will you guys mark the correct answer and then circle in the text where you find the clues? It's really cool watching your names because you guys are like bumping into each other. Okay, I see Adeline is finishing, and the ladies are finishing, the gentlemen are finishing. Okay, good. Adeline's got hers circled in the text. All right, guys, do you see in your text where you can find some clues? Very good. All right, Adeline, will you explain number 15 for us? Would you read it and tell us what you chose?
Mitch S. mother asked him to pick some peaches. He went out to the orchard with a basket and a ladder. When he came back, the basket was full.
All right, so what do you think the word orchard means?
He grows the fruit trees.
A grove of fruit trees. And what helped you know what that word meant? What did you circle in the text?
He went with the basket and a ladder.
And when he came back, it was full, wasn't it? Okay. All right, let's look over here at the guys and see how they did. All right, Brady, do you want to read the sentence for us?
Everyone had a good time at the picnic. The games were fun and the food was plentiful. In fact, there was so much food they had to take some home.
All right, and Brody, what do you think that plentiful meant?
See, more than enough.
And what made you know that? What was in that text that helped you know that definition?
Because There was so much food they had to take some home.
Definitely. All right, guys, I appreciate you working, and I think that you guys have a really good understanding of this. We've got some extra slides. I've got some task cards that I'm going to give to you, and you're going to be able to do those in your Google Classroom. And you can use this whiteboard even and put your markings on them, and then you're going to submit it back to the teacher, okay? Thank you guys very much for joining me on this after school hours. I appreciate your time, and I thank you so much.